How many of you have been inside the Carson's building when it was Carson's? Almost everyone. And how many of you have been inside it since it's been Target? Oh, it looks like almost the same amount. So Target has a very large office in Minneapolis. We have thousands of people up there, and that's where we're headquartered. So within store design, we have over 250 people, which essentially makes it one of the largest design firms in Minneapolis. Our first store opened in 1962. We're actually celebrating our 50th anniversary this year. This was our first store, or second store in Minnesota. You can see our bullseye, but it looks a little different. And this is our current prototype design. We have the red bollards, we have branded signage, and the big red wall. And if you go into some of the more suburban areas, that's what you'll see in the newer Target stores. So in Chicago, we actually now have 11 stores. The first store that we built was in 1993 up at Elston and Logan in the near north area. And that was the first store in the actual city limits of Chicago. So how do we fit in the Carson Perry Scott building? 100-year-old building, 9 buildings, built between 1870 and 1960. But this is where it all began, at the corner of State and Madison. So, of course, the most renowned part of the building is the ornate ironwork around the rotunda. And the rotunda upstairs, you walk into the space and this is a special moment in the building. We wanted to make sure it was a special moment in the design. The bullseye in the rotunda. What should it be? We knew we wanted one there. That was our only signage. We couldn't put any signs on the outside at all. What we ended up with is a 6-foot diameter that's 7 feet from the floor, and this is how it looks in person. And then we utilized 3D design a lot, 3D modeling. We started with a 3D laser scan of the building. I think we had 1 billion points of data. So this on the left shows you what the size of a typical Target prototype store to the exact same scale as the entire block on the right. So you can see we had some inherent challenges. We did not need to keep these lights. They were installed in 1999, so they were not historic. Which was a good thing because the foot candle level coming out of them was pretty low. And this is what it looks like today. Column capitals. Do we leave them as they are? We decided to renovate. So we replaced 13 missing column capitals. We did a couple of mock-ups in place and got the approvals from the landmarks historians. And this is what it looks like. And there was a precedent in the building of a screen that was done in the past that was multi-layered wood. So we thought, what if we did a multi-layered screen? We looked at how it would look with some merchandise in front of it. It was all done on a CNC router. It was to route these out took several hours for each piece. So Sullivan and Target, here we are. We actually have these historic boards up in the rotunda space on second floor. So if you want to read a little bit more about the building, about how Louis Sullivan designed it in the first place, and what we did during our design, that's all up there for you to see. So I do hope that you get a chance to get out there and take a look at it. And I really appreciate you all coming today. Thank you so much.